Welcome back to Design Coach. In this video, I'll show you how to create a maxi skirt using our awesome online tool, Repsketch. Repsketch is a free online software for designing, customizing, and transforming product ideas into captivating 3D designs. On the platform, this design process is broken down into 3 simple steps: repurpose, remix, and render. Step 1, repurpose. To begin, we'll expedite the process by exploring our design library. Using the search bar, let's look for sketches using the tags skirt and women. Repsketch has this vast library of vector sketches contributed by community professional designers. This women's skirt design will be great as our starting point. So let's click on this View button to check out more details about the design. Click on Repurpose this sketch and customize it in the next step. Step 2, Remix. Now, we have our base ready on the canvas, so let's remix this to align with our design requirements. As you can see, Repsketch offers this super user-friendly online vector editor for seamless customization. First thing first, let's begin by resizing the grouped objects. Now I'll ungroup the design objects and head to the color tool to change the color of my skirt. Apply the same color to our back design. I'll now double-click on the front design object to expose vector nodes. Select these node points and add new nodes using this Add Node tool on the left toolbar. Adding a few more nodes to the bottom hem. Drag and select the bottom hem nodes and move them down to reposition the hem. Drag and reposition the node points. Adjust node handles to smoothen outlines wherever required. Drag this node around the knee and reposition to form slit in between. Adding a few more nodes on this new line to create side panel. Let's now drag this node on the slit to make a high slit skirt. Double-click the nodes to activate node handles and smoothen out the shape wherever required. We'll now draw the inside of skirt along the slit, change its color to a darker shade and adjust layers. Let's now move to the back design object and follow the same steps of adding nodes. Drag the hem downwards to reposition. Smoothen out any sharp lines or edges. Let's now navigate to the Components pane and look for a belt component inside this waistbands category. Repsketch furnishes a repository of readily available design components, great for inspirations and speed up the customization. This belt one looks interesting, so let's drag it into our workspace. Place it on top of the waistband here and resize to sit perfectly on the waist. Ungroup and reposition the back belt as well. Edit group the front belt to fill color. Change stroke color and stroke width. Repeat the same for back belt. Explore the Components pane for a finishing touch. I found a belt loop component that looks great, so let's use it. Resize and fill in color to match the skirt. Place it on top of the belt on either sides. Duplicate and place the same on back design. Let's finish off by adding some character to our sketch. We'll add some shadow objects using the Create/Edit Stroke tool. Fill in different shades of the base color depending on shadow placement. To conclude, proceed to the Design Properties section. Provide a name, description, and relevant tags for your sketch. Step 3, Render. Now it's time to transform your sketch into a stunning 3D image. Head to your profile, open the view page of your sketch, and click this magic wand icon to unleash the AI capabilities. Customize or add a new prompt. Hit generate and witness the magic. Experiment with different prompts to integrate your designs into tech packs or present them in your design meetings. That's how Repsketch swiftly turns your ideas into realistic images. Subscribe for more tutorials and feel free to share your questions or feedback in the comments section.